Good afternoon everybody. Today we will discuss about class program of C++ OOPS concept. This subject belongs to BSc first year second semester. In this concept we will discuss what is the private, what is the public, and how we are creating object, what is a class template. And CPP is a bottom to top approach language, that also we will discuss in this topic. Okay. So concept is class program in C++. We will see. Okay. So first of all, I am declaring class template, class A. First private. In private, I am declaring integer a comma b. Okay. So here in private, I am declaring a comma b. So I am doing addition or subtraction, I am doing sum. So for that purpose, I am taking as a C variable. Then public. In public, I am declaring void enter. So enter function. So in C++, a user defined function is called as a member function. In enter, I am accepting a comma b values. C out. Enter a comma b values. Then C in a b. Okay. Yes. So void enter is over. Then I am doing void show. In show, I am displaying the value. C out. A value is equal to A. Then slash n, which is used to generate new value. C out. B value is equal to B. Then slash n. Yes. Then I am doing void sum. In sum, I am doing addition of two numbers. C is equal to A plus B. Then C out. Sum of A comma B is equal to sum. Then slash. Close. So this is class template. Then in void main, I am creating objects. Void main. We can create number of objects. First A1, small a1. I am creating only one object. Then CLR, SLR. With each object, I am calling A1 dot enter. A1 dot show. Then A1 dot sum. Then UCH. Okay. Now we will discuss what is a class, how we are creating class template, what is a private, what is a public, how we are declaring variables and member function private comma public, then how we are creating object, how we are calling the member function of class with each object. We will see one by one. So first, C++ is a object oriented language. It means data will be organized in the form of object. Similar type of object is called as a class. Okay. So a class which decompose into two partition, data comma function. This declaration of data comma function is called as a class template. So here class A, and we are declaring class A capital letter because C also support case, C will also support case specifiers. They are private, public, protected. First, private. At private, we can declare only data, not a member functions. And private variables can be abstracted. It means private data can be accessed only the member functions of public of that class. Private data can't access in a class outside member functions. So that is called private. So at private location we can declare only data, not a member functions. At public we can specify data and also member function, but public data can't support data abstraction. It means public data can be accessed by the function of the class and outside of the class, because public data can't support data abstraction. Next, so class, then flower background. At private location I am declaring three variables, integer a comma b comma c. At public I am declaring three member functions. Void enter. In enter I am accepting a comma b values. Void show I am displaying a comma b values. Void sum. In sum I am finding addition of two numbers, then I am assigning to c, then I am displaying. So this is called as a class template. And important, why we taken three member functions. All the code we can specify in one member function also, but you take, if a program code is very high, you can decompose the program into multiple partitions. Each partition assigned to one subprogram. The subprogram is called user defined function. So if you divide a program into multiple partition, it increases programming speed, processing speed of a program, saves time and also memory. How it will save time and memory? Once define a code, we can call multiple times. That's why same entering, displaying, finding sum, I am dividing into three user defined function, that is called member function. Each code entering I am assigning to one member function called as enter. Displaying I am assigning another member function called show. I am finding sum I am assigning to one another member function, that is called sum. So this leads increase or improve the processing speed of the program and saves time and also memory. So that's why I taken enter. In enter I am accepting a comma b values. Then void show I am displaying a comma b values. Then void sum. So here sum is equal to c is equal to a plus b sum. So now this is called class template. After completion of class template I am terminating with semicolon. Okay, right. So then after this, after completion of class template I am declaring void main. In void main I am creating number of objects. So here small e1 is object of class A. Here I declared only one object, but we can declare multiple objects. Small e1 is object of class A, and then CLR is a refreshing purpose. With each object I am calling the member function dot. Dot operator is one of the operator of CPP which is used to call the member function of class with each object. So A1 dot enter. Enter means cursor comes to enter. So what it will ask? It will ask you, first let's see. It will ask you enter a comma b values. So I am entering 10, 5. Okay. Then void show. Show means after completion of this one accepting, again cursor comes here. Then void show, cursor comes to show. So here whatever we entered, the values will display. It will display out as a value equal to 10. Here slash n is there, cursor comes to here. Then b value equal to 10, cursor comes to here. Okay. So after completion of this one, again goes to sum. So then a1 dot sum means cursor goes here, sum goes here. Sum means here finding a comma b addition, then I am assigning to c, then sum is equal to, sorry, here 5, 10 plus 5, 15. Slash n is there, cursor comes here. So after completion of this one, cursor comes here, then gets here, then gets here. Okay. So this is the way of execution of class program in CPP, and C++ is a bottom to top approach language. When you trace a program, for tracing purpose we are using F7. F7 is a one function key when you trace a program, if you want to trace a program, we use the F7 function key. So first cursor comes to void main, then small a1 is the one of the object of class a1 dot enter. A1 dot enter means cursor goes to enter. Then it will ask you enter a comma b values. After completion of this one again comes here. A1 dot show. Show means cursor goes to show. It will display a comma b values. Again cursor comes here. A1 dot sum. Sum means cursor goes to sum. Here C is equal to A by B. Sum is equal to sum will display. Then again after completion of this one again cursor comes to gets here. Gets here means it will read and again it will exit. So when you run a program, it will ask you enter a comma b values 10 comma 5 I am entering. It will display a value 10 b value 5. Then sum is equal to 15 will display. So here function code will be at top of the program and function calling will be bottom of the program. So that's why it is a bottom to top approach language. If you want to specify other sections for this class program, C out purpose as include iostream.h. So it is header section for C out, and CLR header section is as include co.h. Okay, then get shape, then close. Okay, this is one of the demonstration program of class program in CPP using OOPS concept. Okay, if you have any doubts, please ask me. Write the program. Now we will see inline function in C++. So what is the meaning of inline function? Inline function is a function which invokes and it will print the result where you call. Wherever you call, there the function goes to that location, function call goes to that function code. Automatically the value will be returned to there. Simply inline function is nothing but a which returning wherever you call that there the value will be displayed. And C++ is the one of the bottom to top approach language. First of all, we will see inline function in ordinary C++ program. Then we will see inline function in the class. First ordinary. Now what I am doing? I am finding minimum comma maximum value of two numbers using inline function CPP. That is the question. Okay. So question is header section. Header section is so for IOC, the question is minimum comma maximum of two numbers using inline function in C++. Okay, these are the two comments. Now I am taking as an integer minimum. Okay, so here I am taking integer a comma integer b. Okay, so here I am passing the arguments just like passing by value in C language. So first, if a greater than b, if a greater than b, then return a. Okay, else return b, then close. So minimum to receives two arguments. If condition minimum, so it will take as less than if a less than b, return a, else return b. Same I am taking integer maximum. Integer a comma integer b. Okay. So if a greater than b, then return a, else return b. Yes. Okay. Now, so now I am finding. Then in void main, I am accepting a comma b values. So integer a comma b, CLR CR, COut. Enter a comma b values. Then C in A B. Then COut. Minimum equal to minimum of a comma b, then slash. Okay. Next CO. Maximum is equal to maximum of a comma b. Then goes, then fits which. Okay. If you trace a program, so cursor comes to void main. Here it will take integer a comma b, then CRSF. Enter a comma b value c in ab. Okay. So minimum is equal to, so first I am entering, so the program will ask you enter a comma b values. So I am entering 10, 20. So 10 comma 20 will be goes to this location. So cursor goes to here. Cursor comes to here. So a value 10, b value 20, 10 less than 20 condition is to return a. Determine this is inline. Wherever you call, there the values will be inserted. So the value will print. So it will display out as a director. Minimum is equal to 10. Same values I am passing in maximum. So it will display maximum is equal to. So maximum a comma b. The cursor goes to here. A comma b. Okay. So sir, the cursor goes to here. Maximum. So maximum a. 10 greater than 20 condition is false. Condition is false. Cursor comes here. Let's return b. Return b means b value 20. Maximum value 20 means here. Cursor stops here because there is no slash. So this is inline function in C++ without class concept. And inline function is a function wherever you call, the value will be inserted there. That is called inline function. And C++ is a bottom top approach where C is a top to bottom. In CPP, function code will be top, function body, function code will be top, function calling will be bottom. So when you place a program, cursor comes to void main. So then it will ask you enter a comma b values. Minimum, cursor goes to minimum, the value will return to there, then maximum, the value will return to there. So this is inline function in CPP without using class concept. Now we will see same concept inline function in class concept. Before inline function, we should know scope resolution operator in C++. Okay. So first of all, we will see scope resolution operator. If you have any doubts, please ask me. See here, once again we will discuss. So this is the header section for C in Cout iostream.h. This is the header section for CLR SN and is a bottom to comma approach language. So this is a comment minimum comma maximum of two numbers using inline function in CPP. Integer minimum. So minimum is the one of the member function will accept two arguments. So integer maximum it will accept two arguments and returns value. When you place a program void main, integer a comma b, I am accepting values at runtime a comma b values. C in AB. Minimum is equal to minimum of a comma b, cursor goes to this location. So if condition is true, return say, condition is false, return b, the value will return to there. Same, maximum returns A, if condition is false, returns B. So maximum value will print. So this is the way of execution inline function CPP without using class concept, right?